how to receive USDT on MoonPay. In order to receive USDT on MoonPay, what you have to essentially do is you need to go ahead and then first of all launch the MoonPay application. Then you need to simply select your MoonPay profile or the icon from the top left of the screen right here. Now under wallets you can see MoonPay your assets, select that. And here under market prices you can see Tether. Now Tether is USDT, so you can select Tether from here. Now after you've done that, you simply select this. You can only see the buy option, but to receive it we will just tap on the three dots from the bottom right of the screen, and there you can see the button called receive. Select receive, and this will be our receiving address. We can copy this and we can send it to anybody who wants to send us USDT, and we will be able to receive it on this particular wallet. And this way you can receive USDT on MoonPay. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.